Hello, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad that you clicked on this video. Today we are going to be working on a more chill vibe. It's this little couch, little living room setup. I thought that it was so cute and some other people wanted me to do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and kit this up and get this diamond painting ready and we're gonna get started. Before I kit these up, I just wanted to share this little trick that a fellow diamond painter actually shared with me last night on TikTok Live. I was complaining about the stickies that are like left over when you peel the stickers off from your last kit. Like I had all letters on my last kit, for example. So I had to take them off, and she said to put washi tape down and then put your stickers down. That way, when you are ready for your next set and need to take them off, the washi tape comes off so easy and it doesn't leave a residue. So that is what I'm going to be trying out with this kit, and I guess we'll see how it works. We have this all set up. I have my border around here and I have my release paper on. I kitted up the drills and I'm ready to start. I do have a question though. Why does this go in numerical order and then it just has a bunch of random letters and they're not chronological? I don't understand, but I am curious to know. So if anybody has the answer to that, please let me know. And yeah, in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and start down here and then we're gonna work our way up. Okay, we've completed this little baby section here down at the bottom. So far, the quality's not too bad. The drills are a little slippery, but I don't really mind that much. Um, Yeah, I think the colors are really pretty. They're really vibrant. I will say that since I did a big painting last time, this is coming along really quickly. And I think that I'm going to get it done pretty fast. Let me not speak too soon, but I do think that I will get this done probably by tomorrow or the next day. Depends on how long I work on it today. But yeah, I'm having fun so far. I really like the bright colors, the red, the white, and the blue. I'm still working on my angles, so let me know if this looks good or not, if you guys can tell um, what all the symbols say and everything. I know it's a little blurry down here, but you know, I'm still learning, so yeah. We're gonna go ahead and move to this section over here. And it looks like I have a lot of color blocking right here, some here. This is a bit of confetti, but I think it'll be very quick. I'm curious to know what everybody's method is when they diamond paint. Do you normally go in numerical slash alphabetical order, or do you do your color blocking first? Like, what do you prefer? I normally go in numerical alphabetical order, um, but for this section, I wanted to try a little something different. So I started with this pot, the teapot, because I had X's left over from this bottom section down here and I had them in the tray. So I was like, okay, let me just go ahead and do the X's. And then I went back to start numerical order and I did 1, but I skipped over 2 because this section right here is a big color block section. And I didn't know, I don't know if I should do it or if I should save it for last. And I ended up deciding on doing it towards the end of this section because I feel like it would be easier to work on. Um, I don't know, that's just my personal preference. I promise there's a method to my madness, but you guys let me know what your method to your madness is. Maybe we have something in common or I sound crazy. I don't know. I'm usually a type A person, but I feel like this section is a little chaotic and I did it to myself. Yeah, so leave a comment below. Let me know how you normally diamond paint. Hello, it is the next day. Yesterday we finished this much. Okay, so we have that much done, and then this is what we have left to do. I think that it's going to be pretty easy to finish. I'm going to start with this little section over here, and I think that's the most confetti that I have going on. Besides the little photo, which is really, really cute in the background. But most of this is color blocking, and this bounces around between B's and eights, which is kind of confusing, but I think I'll manage. And then I have a bunch of threes over here and a line of fours to do. But yeah, I think that I'm pretty much gonna have this done today. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this, and then we'll move up here and go left to right. Yeah, so let's do it. Let's get this little baby done. We are in the home stretch. I just finished this little section, and so I have the section ends like right here where all of these sevens are, and then I have this little baby section after that. So I'm going to work on this one and then finish that one up real quick, and then we will be done with this diamond painting, and I'm so excited. Look at how cute these are. The cutest little tiny little frame. Yeah, I've actually enjoyed doing this diamond painting a lot. The quality is really good. Like the stickiness, and I haven't had a lot of messed up drills or anything like that. So yeah, I'm really pleased, and I'm excited to add this to my collection. Okay, we are finally on to our last little section over here, and I am so excited to have it done. Um, yeah, the B's and the 8s are frustrating, but now that I've gotten most of them done, I'm fine now. So yeah, let's get this light board back on. I just wanted to show it without the little cracks coming through. But yeah, let's go ahead and move on to the last little baby section over here. Alrighty, we have the finished diamond painting. This diamond painting was actually really relaxing to do. It was pretty easy because of all the color blocking. It was really simple. Um, I did get this off of Amazon in a pack of 6. So there are 5 other diamond paintings that are similar to this one that I will do, and then I'll have to put them all together. Um, the only thing that really bothered me was up here. There were 8s and B's that were really similar, and I didn't think that the letter and the number so similar should be next to each other when they were so close in color. But that's just my personal opinion. I really love the Monstera leaves and the little planter here. I love the little frame, the pillow, the strawberries and stuff on the table. I think it's really, really cute. Um, yeah, so I just have to seal it, and then this one goes in my portfolio.